Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Coupert, and maybe you're wondering, can you really save money from this website? Can you make money as well, right? Let's check it out. Is this a legitimate way to generate more income for yourself, or is it a big waste of time? We're going to check out Coupert. Anytime if you want to find out my favorite way to get to 10,000 US dollars a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them are big waste of time though. So let's check out Coupert to find out whether this is legit or is it a big waste of time, okay? Now what is Coupert exactly? Now Coupert is a coupon money saving application, okay? Very, very cool. So if you do a lot of shopping online, like you probably do, most people do, you're going to be able to save a lot of money with Coupert, all right? So what Coupert does is it automatically applies coupons from 200,000 different online retailers automatically to your checkout whenever you shop online to help you save money. So the big problem with coupon savings is that you have to go and look for them. All right. Now with Coupert, it's kind of like an aggregator. It finds all the different coupons that are relevant for all the different retailers that they work with, and they work with a ton of retailers. Okay, so they work with 200,000 retailers. So for example, AliExpress, eBay, Kohl's, Ultra, Walmart, Temu, Marriott, things like that, right? And what will happen is if there is something available and you're checking out, they will just automatically apply that coupon to your checkout. So you just automatically save money, all right? Now the savings range from 1% to 10% cash back, all right? So it's not bad. You know, it does add up. It's not a ton of money because a lot of them are in the 1 to 2% range. But if you are shopping online anyway, then why not save a little bit of money with Coupert, right? And it's free, so you don't have to pay for it. There's no membership fee, nothing like that, which I think is really, really cool, all right? And that's kind of how it works. So it saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of money. If you're shopping on Amazon on a regular basis, you will definitely save some money with Coupert, and then you can take that and you can do whatever you want with that money, right? Now another cool thing about Coupert is they have a new earn money section. Okay, so this is kind of like a GPT style website. Now I reviewed hundreds of GPT style websites. If you've never seen a GPT style website, all it is that you can do different things like take surveys, play video games, and download offers, all right? So here you can do exactly that. You can look at some cash offers by playing video games. So you play video games and they will, give you a little bit of points for those video games, and then you can convert that into money. You can take surveys. Now it says earn up to $5 per survey, but usually it's more like 10 cents to 50 cents a survey. Some surveys are $1. I mean, there are some high-paying surveys, but they're very rare. So expect to earn between 10 cents and 50 cents a survey, sometimes a little bit more, like $1 per survey, which is cool. Like any other good GPT website, you can refer people as well, okay? And you can also download other offers, and sometimes they pay a little bit more, but those take a little bit more time because you have to hit certain milestones. So for example, if you download a game like Tetris, you can earn maybe $10, but you have to reach level 50. Or you have to reach level 100, for example, and that sometimes takes a long time, and maybe you're not so good at gaming anyway, so you may not be able to hit those big milestones, but they have it regardless anyway, all right? And to cash out, the first time you cash out is $2 of a threshold, and then every other consequent, corresponding cash out would be a $10 minimum, okay? So I think it's a pretty cool way to save a little bit of money. This is kind of like a combination between a coupon money saving app and a GPT website. So they do multiple things, right? And they've got some really high ratings. So if you just go to the Chrome web store here, you can see that they've got a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. That's really good. That's 8,500 ratings that they've done, and they've done, I think, a really, really good job right here. So you can check it out if you want. It's very rare that an app like this will generally have such high ratings, so definitely a cool way to save a little bit of money and make a little bit of money as well. And I just want to be clear on this earn money section here. This section is not designed to make you rich, okay? If you look at any of the GPT style reviews that I've done in the past, if you spend a couple of hours in this section alone, you're looking at making about $1 to $2, that's all, okay? So on a monthly basis, if you're consistent every single day, you might make an extra $30 to $50 money making strategies here, cash offers, surveys, playing video games, downloading offers, things like that. Okay, again, not designed to get you rich, but you can make a little bit of extra money here, and you can definitely save money by downloading their coupon money saving app, which I think is really, really cool. All right, now here's the only problem with Coupert, right? At the time of recording this video, they're not available in every single country. Now, they are in quite a lot of countries, right? But mainly they're available in the big countries. So the US, the UK, they're in a lot of European countries, right? They're in Canada, of course, they're in Australia. You can see here some Asian countries: Japan, Italy, Brazil, Czech, Poland, Canada, Denmark, Switzerland, Taiwan, which is cool, right? They're in Hong Kong, which is cool. They're in Thailand, which is cool, but they're not in the rest of Southeast Asia. Mainly a lot of European countries, and then the big English-speaking countries like Australia, the UK, Canada, and the UK. Okay, hopefully it will be in your country soon. If it's not available here, then unfortunately you can't use it right now. Okay, but still a very, very cool option to save a little bit of money and make a little bit of money with the GPT style section in the earn money section on the top there. All right, if you want to check it out, coupert.com. All right, now if you're watching this video right now, you might be looking for a way to generate income online. On this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies to save money, make money, invest money. All right, now I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've spent a lot of my own money testing a lot of these strategies. Out of the good ones though, I used one major strategy to quit my full-time job in April 2019. That was the last time I worked a full-time job. I do this full-time from home right now. It's an amazing strategy. I 5 times my old corporate salary, and if you would like to just model exactly what I'm doing, I highly recommend it. It's a great strategy for beginners, especially if you've never made a cent online before. Click the link all the way at the bottom, and I've got a free step-by-step masterclass to show you exactly how I did it if you want to just follow along with me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Coupert. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.